Welcome to Kakinada, a coastal gem nestled on the shores of the Bay of Bengal in the eastern part of Andhra Pradesh, India. Here, the mighty Godavari River, after its long journey across the Indian subcontinent, finally meets the sea, creating a tapestry of life unlike any other. Today, we'll explore the serene beaches, lush greenery, and rich cultural heritage that make Kakinada a unique and captivating destination. Join me as we uncover the hidden treasures of this remarkable coastal city. Our journey begins on the tranquil shores of Kakinada, a coastal gem that offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and serene ambience. Here, the golden sands meet the azure waters of the Bay of Bengal, creating a picturesque landscape that is both captivating and calming. Peda Beach, stretching along the coastline, is one of Kakinada's most cherished spots. This expansive beach, with its soft sand dunes and wide open spaces, offers a sanctuary of peace and tranquility. It's a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the natural surroundings. Here, the gentle rhythm of the waves invites you to unwind, to let go of your worries, and to simply be present in the moment. Take a leisurely stroll along the shoreline, feeling the soft sand beneath your feet and leaving behind a trail of footprints. Breathe in the fresh sea air, filled with the scent of salt and the promise of adventure. It's a rejuvenating experience that refreshes both body and mind. But Kakinada's coastal treasures extend beyond its mainland. The region is dotted with hidden gems waiting to be explored. Just a short boat ride away lies Hope Island, a haven of untouched beauty and a testament to nature's splendor. This pristine island, with its lush greenery and clear waters, offers a stark contrast to the bustling life of the mainland. As we approach the island, we are greeted by the sight of swaying palm trees, their leaves rustling in the gentle breeze, and the sound of gentle waves lapping against the shore. It's a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. Hope Island is a sanctuary for a unique ecosystem, a natural haven that supports a diverse range of flora and fauna. Home to a variety of bird life and marine species, it is a paradise for nature enthusiasts and a reminder of the delicate balance of our environment. No exploration of Kakinada would be complete without paying homage to the mighty Godavari River. Flowing from the western Ghats across the Deccan Plateau, the Godavari, one of India's longest rivers, finally pours its lifeblood into the Bay of Bengal here at Kakinada. The river's presence is deeply intertwined with the life of the city. Along the riverbanks, we find a tapestry of lush green landscapes, a testament to the fertile grounds nourished by the Godavari's waters. Fishermen cast their nets, their silhouettes mirrored in the tranquil waters, while farmers tend to their crops, their lives intrinsically connected to the ebb and flow of the river. Where the Godavari River embraces the Bay of Bengal, a remarkable ecosystem thrives: the mangrove forests of Kakinada Bay. These forests are a unique blend of land and sea, where freshwater meets saltwater, creating a brackish environment that supports a diverse range of flora and fauna. The mangroves here are not just trees, they are a complex network of life, interwoven with the very fabric of the coastal ecosystem. These resilient trees, with their roots submerged in salt water, form a vital protective barrier along the coast. Their intricate root systems stabilize the shoreline, preventing erosion and providing a buffer against storm surges and tsunamis. The roots trap sediments, improving water quality and creating a foundation for other plants and animals to thrive. They are the guardians of these shores, shielding the land from the erosive forces of the sea. Without them, coastal areas would be far more vulnerable to the relentless power of the ocean. The mangroves' ability to withstand harsh conditions makes them indispensable to the health of the coastline. But the mangrove forests are more than just protectors, they are teeming with life. This vibrant ecosystem supports a myriad of species, from tiny microorganisms to large mammals. The dense foliage provides shelter and breeding grounds for countless creatures. Beneath their emerald canopy, a hidden world unfolds. Fish dart through the intricate root systems, seeking refuge from predators and finding abundant food sources. The roots offer a safe haven for juvenile fish, ensuring the survival of future generations. Fish dart through the intricate root systems, seeking refuge from predators, while the roots themselves are teeming with life, hosting a variety of marine organisms that contribute to the overall health of the ecosystem, while crabs scuttle along the muddy banks. These industrious creatures play a crucial role in the mangrove ecosystem, aerating the soil and recycling nutrients. Their presence indicates a healthy, functioning environment. Above, a symphony of bird calls fills the air as egrets, herons, and kingfishers find sanctuary in the branches. These birds rely on the mangroves for nesting and feeding, making the forests an essential part of their life cycle. The mangrove forests of Kakinada Bay are a testament to the resilience and interconnectedness of nature, a vibrant tapestry of life that must be preserved for future generations. The skies above Kakinada and the surrounding region are alive with the vibrant colors and melodic calls of a diverse array of bird species. For birdwatching enthusiasts, this coastal region is nothing short of a paradise. The Kakinada Wildlife Sanctuary, a short distance from Kakinada, stands as a testament to the area's rich avian biodiversity. Here, amidst the dense mangrove forests and waterways, over 120 bird species, including both resident and migratory birds, have made their home. Keep your binoculars at the ready, for you might catch a glimpse of the majestic white-bellied sea eagle soaring overhead or the brilliant flash of a kingfisher diving for its prey. Chapter 5. A tapestry of green Kakinada's agricultural heart. Venturing beyond the coastline, we discover a different facet of Kakinada's character, its fertile agricultural lands. These lands are not just a source of food, but a testament to the region's rich agricultural heritage and the lifeblood of its people. Here, the landscape transforms into a patchwork of vibrant green paddy fields, where rice, the staple food of the region, thrives under the warm sun. The sight of these fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, is a reminder of the hard work and dedication of the farmers who tend to them. Each grain of rice is a product of their labor, nurtured by the fertile soil and abundant water supply. Coconut groves sway gently in the breeze, their fronds casting intricate shadows on the ground. These groves are not only a source of coconuts, but also provide shade and a cool respite from the tropical heat. The rhythmic rustling of the leaves creates a soothing soundtrack to the daily life of the villagers. The air is filled with the sweet scent of ripening mangoes, a taste of the tropics. Mango trees, heavy with fruit, stand as symbols of abundance and prosperity. The mangoes, with their vibrant colors and juicy flesh, are a favorite among locals and visitors alike, offering a delicious treat during the hot summer months. Life in these rural areas moves at a different pace, a tranquil rhythm dictated by the seasons. The farmers rise with the sun and work tirelessly in the fields, their lives intertwined with the cycles of planting and harvest. This slower pace of life allows for a deeper connection with nature and a greater appreciation for the simple pleasures of rural living. Small villages dot the countryside, their inhabitants intrinsically connected to the land and its bounty. These villages are the heart of Kakinada's agricultural community, where traditions are passed down through generations and the bond between people and the land remains strong. The villagers' way of life is a testament to the enduring spirit of rural India, where agriculture is not just an occupation but a way of life. Chapter 6. Kakinada's embrace, a tropical climate. Kakinada's coastal location blesses it with a tropical climate, where the sun's warmth bathes the land throughout the year. Summers are hot and humid, the air thick with the promise of rain. Monsoon season brings much-needed relief, replenishing the land and painting the landscape in vibrant hues of green. As the year progresses, winter arrives, offering a respite from the heat. The days are mild and pleasant, perfect for exploring the outdoors. And always there is the gentle caress of the sea breeze, a constant reminder of Kakinada's coastal charm. Chapter 7. Echoes of the Past. Kakinada's cultural heritage. Kakinada's allure extends beyond its natural beauty. It is a city steeped in history and culture. The Sri Bhavanarayana Swami Temple, dedicated to Lord Vishnu, stands as a testament to the region's deep-rooted religious traditions. Its towering gopuram, adorned with intricate carvings, reaches for the heavens, a beacon of faith for generations. As we step inside the temple, we're transported back in time, surrounded by the echoes of ancient rituals and the devotion of countless pilgrims. Kakinada's cultural tapestry is woven with threads of art, music, and dance, traditions passed down through generations, keeping the spirit of the past alive. Outro until next time, Kakinada. As our journey through Kakinada draws to a close, we are left with a profound appreciation for the delicate balance between nature and culture that defines this coastal city. From the tranquil beaches to the life-giving Godavari River, from the vibrant mangrove forests to the rich agricultural lands, Kakinada offers a sensory feast for the soul. We hope this glimpse into the heart of Kakinada has inspired you to embark on your own adventure to this hidden gem on the Bay of Bengal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.